Hello, is this Mohit?
Yes, I am.
Hi Mohit, this is Nova from Silver Nest Realty. I hope I'm not catching you at a bad time. I wanted to share an exciting opportunity with you. At Silver Nest Realty, we offer a unique commission structure where after just 5 sales, you get to keep 100% of your commission. It's a fantastic way to maximize your earnings. Would you be open to discussing this further or perhaps booking a quick appointment with one of our brokers?
Yeah, can you tell me in detail?
Of course, Mohit. At Silver Nest Realty, we have a commission model designed to truly benefit agents like you. Here's how it works. For your first 5 sales with us, a standard commission applies. But after that, you keep 100% of your commission on all future sales. If you've already completed 5 sales elsewhere, you immediately qualify for the 100% commission upon joining us.
Okay,
This means you
that's
get to
good.
keep more of your hard.
Yeah, actually, I want to book an appointment with one of your brokers.
Before we move forward, Mohit, could you share how many properties you have sold so far? This
Yeah.
helps us tailor the conversation to your experience.
Yeah, around 200.
Wow, Mohit, that's truly impressive, 200 properties. With your experience, our 100% commission model could be a perfect fit for you. When would you like to schedule the appointment? Let me know a date and time that works best for you, and I'll check if it's available.
Yeah, can we do it around 14th April at 5 p.m.?
It looks like the 5 p.m. slot on April 14th is unavailable, but there's availability. On April 14th, we can schedule between 5:30 p.m. and midnight. Would you like to go with 5:30 p.m. or another time? Let me know what works best for you.
Yeah, so can we schedule a call for at 14th April at 3 p.m.?
Just to confirm, Mohit, you'd like to schedule the call on April 14th at 3 p.m.,
Yes,
correct? Let me
yes.
check if that slot is available. It seems the 3 p.m. slot on April 14th is unavailable, but we can schedule it at 3:30 p.m. or later on the same day. Would 3:30 p.m. work for you, Mohit?
Yes, let's do it for 3:30.
All right, Mohit, your appointment has been successfully booked for April 14th at 3:30 p.m. You'll receive a calendar invite shortly with the meeting link in your email. Looking forward to speaking with you. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's fine.
All right, Mohit, thank you for your time. Have a great day, and we look forward to speaking with you soon.
Alright guys, so the appointment has been successfully scheduled for, you can see, for the 14th April at 3:30 p.m. and so this is my email ID. This is the organization email ID. Basically I use my agency account for that. This is cal.com we are using right now to book the appointment, and that's not at all. Here is our lead list. This is the name and this is the company name of the agent, then this is the phone number of agent, then this is their email ID. If we have one, then we can just enter it, otherwise it is going to ask the email ID. And this one is status, which means it is already called, and yes, the interested, the agent is interested. That this is a transcript, this is a summary, and this is the recording URL. Then there is one more table, and here is the only interested agent leads. So once we are going to call them these leads, and if they are interested, then we are going to transfer the lead from here to here. Basically we are going to copy the lead. So this one is Mohit, email ID, name, etc. Then here is the property sold, how many property they have sold, and this is the status that they have booked appointment for 14th April at 3:30. Then this is the transcript, then this is the summary, and again the recording URL. And this one is our make.com scenario. This one is for the end call report to update all of the Google Sheet with transcript, summary, recording URL, and status, etc. all of these things. We are using make.com for that. And there is one more scenario which is for to make the outbound calls. So basically there are 2 make.com scenarios and 1 Google Sheet with 2 tables. Alright guys, so now we have just seen a demo of an AI voice agent for real estate recruitment, because we all know that in real estate company the recruitment part is so important because they need to sell their properties. That's why they're always looking for the agents. And here I am with another AI agent. Well, in this video I'm going to show you the outbound agent only, which is going to make the calls for the from the Google Sheet, and it is going to qualify them that they are interested for working for your company or not. and it is going to tell them the offer. So you don't have to do anything at all. AI agent is going to make the calls, it is going to book the appointment with them. So it is going to save a hell lot of time for you and also the money, because what usually people are doing, they are outsourcing the work with the different agencies, or they are hiring a team which is costing more than usual. But nowadays AI is so powerful that we don't need a team to do that, because one single agent can do multiple calls at the same time, and it can call more than 1000 leads in just one day. And if you are a real estate agent, or maybe you are running a real estate company and you're always looking for brokers who are going to sell properties for you, then these agents can help you a lot to find these brokers. And we can automate this process with both outbound and inbound agent. Well, in this video I'm going to only explain you the outbound agent, because in inbound agent I'm going to create another video, so you can watch that one video for that. But in this video we are only going to do the outbound agent. Anyways, I guess you already know the advantages of AI, because AI is like booming in this sector right now, and everyone is implementing AI automation into their system so that they can save their time and money, because AI agents mostly do all of the work for them. Anyway, let's start building our agent. But before that, let me introduce myself. I am Mohit, founder of Chrono AI, my own AI automation agency where I help businesses to grow their business with the help of AI automation. Either it can be a voice agent or a chatbot. So if you want to work with me, then hit the description, there is my website link. From there you can just book a free call with me, and then we can discuss how we can integrate these agents into your business. Alright, so the first thing that we are going to use is Retell AI, and we are going to use Retell AI to build our agent. So this is Retell AI and this is a dashboard. By the way, if you don't have any account, then the sign up link is in the description for Retell AI. From there you can just sign up for free, and once you're going to sign up, you're going to see a dashboard like this one. And this video is going to be very lengthy, that's why I'm not going to explain you all the features, but I'm going to explain you actually all the features, but overall. Okay, so this is the agent section. From here we can create our agent. Then this is the knowledge base. Basically knowledge base is the brain of our AI voice agent, so we need a knowledge base. For that, just click on the add button and add a knowledge base from here. This is for Silver Nest Realty. You can either use your website as a knowledge base, and you can also upload your documents. Then this is a phone number. From here we need to upload our phone number, and we need to connect our phone number from Tulio. Then this is batch call. This one is for outbound calls, but we are not doing this one because we are using make.com for that. Then this is call history. From here we can see all of the call details and transcript, summary, recording, everything. Then this is the analytics. From here we can analyze our all of the agents. Anyway, let's create our first agent, and in the agent section you can see there is button for create an agent, and there is one more button, import. So if you are downloading the resources from my link, actually there is a link in the description, from there you can just download the template for outbound agent, and you can also download the templates of make.com. So if you're going to do that, then all you have to do is just click on the import button, select the file that I'm going to provide you in my resources, and select it and click on the save button. Then you are going to have your agent here. Okay, then once you're going to have it, you're going to see something like this. But if you're going to create a new agent, like totally new agent, totally from scratch, then you have to click on the create an agent button, and then select the multi-prompt agent, because we are going to create a multiple prompt. Then start from blank, because we can't use any templates from here. Just start it from blank, and once you're going to click on this, you're going to create your first agent. And once you're going to create, you're going to see something like this, and from here you can change the name. Okay, just click on this edit button and just name it whatever you want to. Then the next thing, our GPT provider, and this is 4.0 right now because I am using 4.0. We can also use 4.0 mini, but 4.0 mini, I don't know like it is work better or not, because usually 4.0 works much more better. From here we can select the voice. I am using the Kate voice right now, and you can use either Timelapse voice, PlayHT voice, or OpenAI voice, whatever voice you prefer. Just select it from here, and you can also add your own custom voice. Just click on this, upload your file, upload the file of your voices, name it, and connect your Timelapse account, and then you're going to have your own custom voice. Then this is a system prompt, and I'm going to explain this part later. And this is the function. We are using two function here, end call function and transfer call function. For transfer call function, just click on the edit button and add your number in which you want to transfer the call. Then the next thing is the knowledge base. Select your knowledge base from here, but you need to first upload your knowledge base from the dashboard. Then once you're going to upload it, just select it from here. Then this is the speech setting. From here select the speech setting. This is background sound, but I don't prefer background noise or sound anything at all, so I'm not selecting anything. Let the responsiveness on 1 and interruption sensitivity on 0.7. That is good. Then enable the back channeling. It will create much more better environment for AI. Actually this is all about yeah, okay, all right, so it will make the conversation much more real, so people really can't differentiate between a human and AI because it really sounds really well. Then this one is for optimize for speed or accuracy. You can go for speed, actually it will decrease the latency. Then this is okay, enable this one, enable also this one. Then this is a call setting. Yeah, so this is important because here we are going to end the call on silence on 1 minute, so set this one on 1 minute, and max call duration is 10 minutes, so this is the maximum time for agent. Then ring duration, this one is for outbound calls, and let it on 1.2 minutes, something like that, because if you're going to do more than 1 minute, then people really get frustrated sometimes, so let it be on like 1 minute. This is good. Okay, then this is post call analysis. For here we are using the version GPT-4 mini, which is free, and GPT-4 is paid, so why use this one, because we can use many and it is good actually. And we need 3 post analysis here. Number 1 is interested or not, and this one is to find out that the person is interested or not. If the person is interested, it is going to say yes, interested, and if they are not interested, they are going to say not interested. And the next thing is interested agent detail, and this is not detail, actually this is it status. So it will say like if we need to call back them or they already have booked the meeting with us, so it's all about that. And this is property sold, how many property they have sold. So yeah, that's all we need to do in post analysis, and we are done with our feature. Then from here we can test our agent. In the test audio section, you can test your audio of the agent. Then in the test LLM, you can test it as a chatbot, so we can use either test it as a voice call, or we can either test it as a chatbot. Then this is our system prompt. So this is a role and this is our system prompt, and this is one of the important thing in our agent. So this is the role. We are Nova. You can change the agent name from here, and outbound you can change the company name from here, Silver Nest Realty, whatever it is your company, just change it from here. This is our variable agent name, and this is the agent detail, agent name, email, phone number, and their company name. This is the current time. And current time, if you are not going to use this one, so AI is not going to get the current time and date, so it is going to book the appointment maybe for the past, or it is not going to get the idea. Okay, so we need to use the current time, and you can use current time with variable. So you can see this is a variable for Asia Kolkata. You can either change it with America Los Angeles, America New York, or whatever time zone you want it in. Just change the last part and you are going to have the current date and time. Then there are some specifics. We don't need to change anything at all from here. All you need to do is just change the name from here, the knowledge base name. Okay, then we are like now giving the instruction to our AI to transfer the call if they wanted a human agent. Then this one is for end call. If the conversation is ended, then the agent is going to run the end call function to end the call with the user. And this is the structure, and you can change this one with your company, whatever commission model you are offering, or whatever offer you are offering for your real estate company. Just change this one with that. Okay, then this one also you need to change this one. There is like dynamic opening for this. Yeah, okay, that's good. And this one is for leave a voicemail. So lots of time people are not available at that time, so we are going to leave the voicemail for them so that they can call the agent maybe near in the future. So once they are going to call back, we are going to activate the inbound agent, because outbound agent is only built for outbound calls. We can't receive call with outbound agent, so we need inbound agent for that. So once they are going to call back, we are going to activate the inbound agent. They can conversation with our agent. So we are going to leave a voicemail something like this: hey, agent name, this is a variable agent name, and this is the company. Okay, and it's all about that. Okay, then this is the note. You don't need to change anything at all from here. Actually, yeah, it's all good. You don't need anything at all because it will do better. Yeah, you can change this one. Someone who created design you on the Chrono AI team, and just change your company name with this one, and yeah, that's all good. Important notes. No, I don't think so we need to change anything here. it's all good. Okay, this one is also important because now we are using like example, we are giving the example to our agent to know like how it have to run the functions. So this one is to check appointment function with cal.com and the booking. So in the execution message, say okay, because otherwise it will repeat the same message again and again. So that's why we are using and yeah, that's good. You don't even need to do anything at all you need to do is just change a little bit of things if you are downloading a template from my resources. So if you're downloading them, all you have to do is just import it, then change a little bit of things like the name, and if you want to change the agent name, just change it from here. If you want to change, yeah, you need to change the company name, and then you're all done. Then you need to change the number from here, the transfer call, you need to change the number from here. And you know, just change the offer, we mention offer here, so just change the voicemail and this one offer here. So you need to change a little bit of things with your business, and then you are going to have your own agent. Or if you want me to build this agent for you, then just book a call with me from my website, and then we can discuss how we are going to build this agent and integrate it into your business. Okay, then our next thing is click on the edit prompt tree, because we are going to create two state here. So number one state is intro, and our next state is book call. So you can add a state by just clicking on the new state button, but I'm not going to do that because I already have two states. So name it from here intro, and the next one is book call. So this is the call flow of our Outbound voice agent. So you can see this is the call flow, this is the introduction, and this is the opening line. You can see this is the opening line, then this one is the action, and this one is to present the opportunity to them. And then if they agree to book an appointment, then it is going to directly transition to book call. And if they want to know more about the opportunity, then it is going to tell them about the 100% commission structure. Then yeah, it is also qualify the question like what are the date and time you want to book the appointment for. And yeah, there are like lots of things, like this one is to tell them more about the offer, and this is the booking follow-up. Yeah, so this one is to tell them, yeah, if you want to book a call with one of our agent, we can schedule a booking here. And then it is going to transition to book call. Okay, yeah, so that's all we have to do. Yeah, so like it is pretty lengthy because now we are giving the instruction to our agent. So you know, there are lots of things, and it is pretty lengthy prompt actually. There are lots of things in which we need to how it has to perform, otherwise you know, it is not going to perform very well. So like there are lots of detail in this. Our next state is book call, and this one is to book the call with our agent. So now we are going to use tools. You can just add a tool from here. First tool is check calendar availability, and next tool is book on the calendar. So first one is to going to check that the time slot is available or not. Then the next one is to book the call on the calendar. So just add it and name it same as this one, because we are going to use the name in our prompt. And this one is a description, collect the preferred date and time, and check the availability time slot in calendar 1. Then this is the API key from cal.com. This is the event type ID. And if you don't know how to get API key from cal.com and event ID type and your time zone, then you need to watch my last video, my dentist video, AI dentist video. You can watch it by clicking on the I button. And once you're going to do that, you can see in that video I explained you how you can get your cal.com API key, event ID type, and time zone. So once you're going to have it, connect your cal.com account here. Okay, all you have to do is just API key, event type ID, time zone, and a description. When the user want to book an appointment, book it on the calendar. Okay, then there is one more calendar actually. And if you want to use multiple events, like multiple calendar, because sometimes it's happen like the number one calendar is already booked, so we need like multiple calendar for that. So you can create two events in cal.com and then use two different calendar for that. Okay, so I'm using this one for that. This one is AI call booking is script guidelines. So you can see this one is for 15-minute video call. Then this is going to confirm their details and then booking the conversation. So process flow is this one is the first prompt. And okay, and this one is going to check the availability in the first calendar, and if the calendar is available, then it is going to book the meeting. But if it is not available or full, then it is going to check the cal to check availability function. Basically it is going to check the second calendar, and if that's available, it is going to book the call in that one. That one is also full, then it is going to say yeah, choose another time. Then it is going to say choose another time. Okay, then this is a critical note. Yeah, we need this one so that our AI voice agent is not going to face any issue. And yeah, so it's going to ask for the time, and this is for email confirmation. It is going to confirm their email, and if they don't have an email in our Google Sheet, so it is going to ask the email like what is your email address, and then it is going to book the call. And this is the closing. After the booking, it is going to say a message like this one, and this is the message for that. And yeah, and that's the instruction, basically a deep instruction. Sometimes a single prompt is not enough, that's why we need multiple lines in our prompt, the same line, so that our agent is going to work better. And this is like overall script, and this will make the conversation much more better, like never repeat a function call and always verify the user email address. So this is good for our agent, Then this one is the booking status. Purpose is this one. This is the behavior, and this is the example. You can also have the example here. And yeah, and this one is our JSON structure for our booking appointment. So this is the structure for that. Anyway, there are like few more things. The example again, this is the example for date. Actually, sometimes what happen, we say tomorrow, but AI don't get it tomorrow, and it book it on past. So we are giving the instruction to let it on next tomorrow, next Monday, so that it is going to book the appointment for the next date. And yeah, that's all we need to do in our intro state and book a call state. Alright guys, so we are done with our Retell AI agent part. That's all we need to do in our Retell AI. And there is one more thing, which is for end call report, and this is a webhook setting. We need to update the transcript, the summary, the recording URL in our Google Sheet. That's why we are using the agent level webhook URL, and this is the webhook from our make.com. So now I'm going to explain you the part of make.com. Alright, so here we are in our make.com. This is our first scenario, which is for outbound and call result. So first thing is a URL, a webhook. So you need to create a webhook from here. Just click on the add button, name it whatever you want to, and just add it and click on the save button. From here you can name it, click on the save button, and then you are going to have your webhook. Copy the address to clipboard, and then you need to paste your address here. So just select it and paste it, and then you are done. Then you are done with Retell AI. Just click on the save button. By the way, you need to import the agent. So if you're downloading the agent from my resources, then you can import the blueprint from here. Just select the file that I'm going to provide you in my resources, then click on the save button. Then you're going to have the whole template, but you need to connect your account with that. So this one is for search rows. Just connect your Google account from here. Search rows method, select the spreadsheet ID from here, sheet name, let this one on lead sheet. And once you are going to connect your Google account, you are going to see something like this, and select the method, select your spreadsheet from here, select the name of the spreadsheet. Like right now we are using the lead list, so I'm going to select the lead list. And then this is the variable from our webhook. So this one is the company, this one is the name. Actually I haven't run this one. Actually I was using the different method for that. Well, I can create another video for that. It is a little bit too complex without getting the variable in webhooks. You can see there are no variable here. Without that variable I'm using this. So you can also do that, because sometimes what happens for end call reports, we are going to even run this one, but it is not going to tell the summary, the transcript. That's why we are going to use a different method for that. Anyway, that's a different part, and you can do that because most of the people usually do that. They run once and then they have the variables. And this one is the same. This one is going to update the rows with row number, and this is going to update the transcript, they are interested or not, and the summary and the recording URL. Then this one is add a row, and this is going to add a row into our interested agent lead. So now we are adding the row. They are like interested, and their property sold, how many property they have sold, their status, the transcript, the summary, the recording. So we are using this one for that. Yeah, so this is the overall end call result. and this is for outbound call. And this is the cold caller that we are going to use to make the calls. So first is the search row, and we are going to use the status on not called. Actually in your Google Sheet you can see the status, and if you want to call someone, then you need to set the status on not called, then it is going to make the call. And once it is going to make the call, it is going to change the status from not called to called. So this is going to happen. So we are setting the 10, actually 10 leads, and we are going to make the 10 calls per minute, and no, not per minute, in every 15 minutes. Then the next thing is the GPT model. You can connect your GPT API key and organization ID from here, then select the model, and we are going to use this one to convert the format. Actually we can't call the number with this format, that's why we need to change the number in this format. That's why I'm using this one for that. So it is going to convert the number in this format. Then this is the Retell AI. We need to connect a Retell AI account with our API key. You can find a Retell AI API key. Let me show you from where you can find it. So you can see there is section for API key. Just click on the API key section and copy this API key and paste it there, and you're going to have your own retail account in make.com. Select the number from where you make the calls, and this is a result from our chat GPT. This is a result from our chat GPT. Then this is the agent ID, and we need our agent ID from here. Just go to the agent section. So you can see this is our agent and this is the agent ID. Just copy this and paste it there. That's all we need to do. Just paste the agent ID here. And this is the rows from our Google Sheet, and these are the variable. Just click the save button, and our next model is update a row, and this one is to change the status of called to called, actually change the status from not called to called. Alright guys, that's all we need to do in our make.com, in our retail AI. That's all we need to do. And once you're going to do all of these things, you're going to have your own agent for outbound calls. It is going to make the calls, it is going to book the appointment for them, and yeah, it is everything automated. All you need to do is just paste the lead into your Google Sheet, set the status on not called. All of the resources and template links are in the description. From there you can just download them, and in the next video I'm going to build the inbound agent. You can see the inbound agent is here, and I'm going to show you how you can build the inbound agent too. Yeah, so that's all we are going to do. And if you want to work with me, if you want me to build this agent for you and for your business, then book a free call with me. Then we can discuss how we are going to integrate this agent for your business. Okay, so that's all we are going to do for today. I'm going to see another video. Until then.